Okay, so let's start where we ended here. Approach guidelines. So I'm going to just go back here. It's just really important for you to go through the approach guidelines. So I'm back going here. So we did the approaches. Before I start here, so let's go to character 6. We're going to do devices. So with devices, again, make sure, like in your book, there's some good definitions. There's just some good things in your book that you really need to. I can't stress enough how you need to go through your book. I will have extra things in shared files. So just a couple things here on the devices. We have drainage, monitoring, infusion, extraluminal device. So let's just say that the patient is having a something within the heart. They're clamping the heart outside of the vessel. That would be an extraluminal device. Let's say they did a PTCA, which the balloon is inside the vessel. That would be an intraluminal device, okay, something inside. So then we have an endobronchial, synthetic, okay, we have tissue substitute. If it's non-autologous, again, that would be, it's not my own, it's somebody else's. Okay, so with that, let's go on to, these are all devices. I'm going to have you read through them. Character 7 is our last one. Okay, usually a lot of times with character 7, it's going to be Z, no qualifier. We do have some that will be diagnostic in like a biopsy situation. Okay, so this wraps up this chapter. The biggest thing here with this chapter is to, again, reread it, know the difference between your 7 characters. Okay, that is probably the biggest thing that you need to do.